Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I want to post a video of giving y'all popular ideas, YouTube videos that will blow up your channel and help you grow your channel too. Also, I am collabing with a small YouTuber. She's just a small YouTuber like I am. Her name is Pretty Boojilish. I hope I said her channel name right, but if I didn't say it right, but I see pop up her channel. This is her channel. Y'all see, go and check out her channel, watch her videos, subscribe to her channel. She had did a video of her. She did a 15 popular videos idea that will blow up your channel. So go check out her video. That will be in the description box of the link of her video, and I will put it in there. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so you don't miss out none of my videos. And follow my social medias. They be in the description box. But let's get started in. The first one, I would say shoutouts. Shoutouts is good to kind of grow your channel, to give shoutouts to channels that you, small YouTuber like I am. You can kind of do that. Shoutouts to anything that you probably want to shout out to people in the comments and comment in your video. That's kind of good to kind of do that. It's like I had did one doing I think the other month I had one, so go check out that because it helps me grow my channel. I got 913 subscribers, so I'm almost reaching to 1K. So yeah. The second one is shopping haul. Shopping haul is good too. I had did shopping hauls many times on my channel. I think 5 years ago too. I think it's been a long time since I did shopping hauls. Shopping hauls is good. I see a lot of videos of that. People, a lot of YouTubers will like do shopping hauls showing what they bought, or like. The third one, unboxing. Watching unboxing videos, they are good too. Showing things that you order online, like anything that you want to show, unboxing is really good. It helps. It will help you. People like seeing people unboxing things because it's kind of cool to see things like that. So number 4, review. Reviewing, I would say reviewing like products or a movie review, song review, game review, or anything that you want to review, to talk about, like your opinions about it or something like that, about anything. Number 5, room tour, apartment tour. You could like do videos for that because I've been seeing videos of that. People be doing room tours, apartment tour too. I would say show something like that. One day I might try it in my room whenever I do a makeover, because I'm gonna do a makeover in my room. This sun, come on, don't do this to me. I might have to get my number 6, bloopers. Bloopers is good if you want to show your bloopers videos that you did from past, or you know, videos that you had did that you mess up your video. You could like do something like that. That would, like, blooper videos are really good to watch. Number 7, challenge videos. That one is great. Challenge videos is good too. I haven't done one in a while, but I want to do one. I'm trying to I've been seeing a lot of challenges. I did like 24-hour challenge, so I think that was kind of good to do different challenge, something that is safe to do safe. Number 8, my most favorite, what's on my iPhone or what's on my Android or tablet or iPad, but really the most one is really what's on my iPhone. If you have an iPhone, I'll show a video for that. People been using that one most than Android phones and tablets and iPad. Number 9, planners. You can do a video of doing like making your own planner, decorating it like a journal, and you draw craft stuff on it and put anything else like that. And I had did one, not a video, but I had tried to do one, but that's a lot of work. It is good to do planners videos, but that is inspiring, creative. But number 10, organize. I would say that one, your room, your kitchen, like your phone. You can organize your phone too. I see people do that stuff every time on YouTube. I think opinions. I don't think I said it right. Start OPINION. Opinion on things, something that you feel not good for you, or is it good, or anything. Like, I think I had said it on the one I said about review. It's kind of like, you know, your opinions about a movie, artist, or like the actor, or something that you feel like something in the world that's going on. Number 12, night routine, morning routine and night routine. I used to do night routines, morning routines, but I don't do it that much like I used to. So people would do morning routines for like if you are in school or you have a job, or you know, that some people will watch that, I don't know, or some would do more routine of how they live or something. Number 13, collections. I haven't did a video for collections yet, but I don't really have a lot of collection things, but I know a lot of YouTubers on here do collections of showing like the shoes or something. You collect hats, anything that you want to show that you want to tell people this is what I collect. Number 14, reactions. Reaction videos are good to use to make something that you want to react to, a movie or a song that you haven't seen yet, a game that you start playing, or anything that you want to react to, or something funny. Number 15, TikTok made me buy it. Last year, 2021, I've been seeing a lot of people did TikTok made me buy it. I never tried it yet, but someday I might, probably end of this year, I might try that. I would say that one is good to help grow your channel. Number 16, try on hauls. I love trying hauls. I did try hauls before. It's good if you want to try that. Sorry. You could try on hauls. Just try it out because it's good to show things that you have. I'm sorry about that, y'all. My mom had called me. My phone had clicked off when we were recording. I was, oh Lord. Number 17, I was trying to say, advice and tips is good to give people advice on anything that's like probably on, if you're trying to get hired for a job, how I got hired for a job. Like I had did a video about how I got hired at Walmart, and if y'all want to go check that video, I had did that, and I think I had gave a lot of tips on advice, helped me grow my channel and gave me more views. I got 1,000 views on it, so that never happened to me since I've been on YouTube for a long time. Number 18, get to know me, or you could do the one 50 facts about me. That one is good to do. I had did one like that one too. Some would do like more than facts about me. So you don't necessarily have to do like do 50 facts about you, but you could probably do that. Number 19, come clean with me, or like, you know, come with me clean, or come pack with me, shopping with me. I see videos like that, like they're like, you know, if you're going grocery shopping, you can do video for that. Okay, for number 20, glow up transformation. I had did one time did that, but I think it didn't give me that much views, but it is good. But make it interesting and fun. People like help you grow your channel. It's like a self-care. 21, get ready with me. I love get ready with me videos. They are good. I did one before. It's something that people wanted to different, but it will help you grow your channel. A day in the life. Day in the life. That one is interesting about it because people would know you, what you do in your day, your job, or you go in school. A lot of that it will show the day in the life of what you do in your career. 23, skincare routine. Skincare routine is really good. It is a good way to help clear your skin, and also you get advice on how to do a skincare routine. Like, good to give people advice on things that they help how you do your skincare routine. DIYs. I really haven't been seeing a lot of people do DIYs doing last year, but I think other years, but they are good to do. But I don't know, I haven't been really seeing that much, but I've been trying to look up watching videos like that, DIYs, to help you. If your channel is like a DIY channel, but if you like to challenge yourself, that was good. 25, how to and tutorials. If you want to show how you do this, or you know, like a tutorial editing video or makeup, like I said, DIY, something like that thing, or making something like that. 26, this one called Porto. I think that one, I forgot what this was. I think this one's like a comedy. If you into comedy and you like to do comedy videos, something that you want, of a song you want to do, or like yeah, a song or from a movie. What's in my bag? That is really good to do. I don't know, I think I haven't did that video, but I do be seeing a lot of people do videos like that, like a backpack or a purse or something. You want to show a suitcase, you go and show something like that. What's in your suitcase. 28, behind the scenes. I know I see YouTubers do videos for that, like behind the scenes of how they make their video. It's like also like a vlogging. It's part of like a vlogging too. And the last one, my most favorite, fashion lookbook. Fashion lookbook is like you went, like, you know, like this month, like in this season, I mean, it's like a winter, cold weather lookbook outfits, or something that you bought that you want to show part of like what outfit is. That kind of like a try on haul. Any season fashion or street outfit, your type of style that you want to show into your fashion lookbook. Okay guys, yeah, this is it. I didn't pay attention. I didn't put opinions again on it. It's really 29 popular YouTube channel, YouTube ideals that I'm trying to say. If y'all enjoyed this video, just like it and comment below what is the idea videos that you are going to do with the list that I show y'all, or what type of ideas that you see that you want to do on this list. Also, subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification. Also go and subscribe to this YouTuber I collab with. Subscribe to her channel. Go check out her video that she did. She did 15. I was gonna do 15, but I decided to do more than 15. Also follow my social medias that be in the description box. But I see y'all in my next video. I hope that y'all enjoy this video. Stay classy, stay sassy. See y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.